And then also that would set them up to do well in Nevada and South Carolina and potentially in Super Tuesday and beyond. He's doing well in states. A CNN poll recently found him in Texas doing particularly well. So it's going to be a long road ahead for all of these candidates, but they need to get through Iowa and do well here in order to make it in the long haul.
All right. Thanks very much to all three of you, Rebecca Buck, Arlette Saenz, and Maeve.
I'm excited.
We're talking about Bernie Sanders' fundraising figure, $35 million, which is huge. But Donald Trump, the incumbent candidate, raised in the same time period $46 million, so $11 million more than the highest, the most successful fundraiser on the Democratic side, which for the last quarter at least was Sanders. One of the big issues Democrats are trying to tackle is gun violence in America. The numbers really are staggering. According to one nonprofit research group, there were 417 mass shootings last year, and more than 15,000 people killed by gun violence.
Seeing its third consecutive drop in homicides last year. But St. Louis, which had the highest murder rate of big U.S. cities in recent years.
Oh, shit.
You got scared?
Show me.
It's not so easy, huh? It's realistic.
Don't throw it away. Very well. Let's try.
I think you need your phone application. Wait. There
you go.
That's it.
Let's try it.
Let's take this away.
Remove the sticker.
Wait. Maybe we take this away.
Three-way grip for GoPro Hero 8 Black. Okay, let's see what you got.
It's a big box. Voila! That's good. Let's see how it works. It's like that. This is a lock, huh?
Okay, let's do it. That's it.
Huh?
I have it. Original gadget from GoPro. It's about $70. You get for about 60.
Registrerat! No, but it's wrong. Nice video too. GoPro, start recording.
I think this is...
GoPro, record video.
Okay, GoPro, just take a picture.
GoPro,
Maybe the
picture.
voice... Can you activate the voice? Maybe it's not on. Maybe it's been... No, it's on. It's a little bit stupid right now.
Preferences. Powering off.
What the hell?
Maybe I have to start like this.
Okay, let's start. Start upon it.
I think I have wrong a little bit. To know how it has to be like this, I guess.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that.
What's happened now? GoPro, record video. Look, maybe I off it by accident, huh?
I think you have to go to the... it's on. Can you make a memo?
GoPro, take a picture.
Oh yeah, it followed order. Okay, now video.
I have to off this 3 seconds, so I don't need it, huh?
Yeah.
GoPro, record video.
I have to go to the video mode.
Video. GoPro, video. GoPro, record a video.
You're on the photo.
Oh. No, that's why he has to do it. Maria.
Okay.
He has to change
You
it.
see. I think it doesn't.
GoPro, video now. Oh, you see?
Oh.
Do everything.
Video now. Just...
Record now. GoPro, record video. Record. Record. I'm laughing weird, huh?
GoPro, record video.
Oh, yes.
Is it recording? I don't think so.
No.
I don't see a red. GoPro, power on. GoPro, wake up. Hello.
Can you say record?
Record video. GoPro, record video.
GoPro, record video. Video now. I think it's recording. Record video. It's irritating. Why don't understand what we say, huh?
Lithuanian. See Lithuanian. Try.
I don't know how.
Yeah, it's good. GoPro, start recording. Oh, it's working. GoPro, stop recording. Wow. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off.